So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK or Link in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, all you got to do now is go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass at the bottom bar. Once you're on this screen, scroll down a little bit to where you see trending categories, then press on crypto. Then once you're on this screen, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see ticker symbol LINK, and this is Chainlink. Press on Chainlink right here. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to buy, go to the bottom left, press on buy. And then once you're on this screen, simply just type in the amount of money that you want to buy of Link. So I'm gonna go and just press $2 for this example. I'm gonna press on continue. And then once you're here, you can just go ahead and press confirm order, and that is how you guys can buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.